Hi friends. So this video is kind of featuring, showing off the really cool Snowy Wonder stamp set. Look how cute with the penguins and the snowmen. Stamp set and dies. So what's really cool is the stamps and the dies coordinate with the Snowy Scenes papers. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can use the dies to cut out these images and um, use them to embellish your stuff. First, I want to show you these papers up close. So again, this is the Snowy Scenes papers. And on this page, we're going to use this die to cut out all of these shapes. This die to cut out all of these shapes. And I like to go a little bit lower with these, and you kind of cut off the top dome. And then this piece cuts out the bottoms to all of these. But before you do that, I like to cut it all apart. It's easier to run through the die cut machine. So that's that one. On this page, we're cutting out a couple of different things. We've got our snowmen that have no headgear. So this guy right here can get cut out with a die. The biggest tree can get cut out with a die. And this little tree. And there's lots and lots of those throughout the page. So those are the things. And then you're going to have to scissor if you want the ones with hats and earmuffs. Those ones you'll scissor cut. But that's the three dies we're going to use on this page. And let me pull that up close so you can see how cute. And then our last page that we're going to use the dies on are the penguins. And those are, again, the penguins that have no headgear. So the ones with hats, we're going to have to scissor cut, but the ones that are plain naked or the ones with scarves can be cut out with the dies. So here I've cut those 3 sheets of paper down into piles. I've got piles of penguins that I can use the die cut for. Where's my little penguin die cut? Penguin die cut. Penguins I can't use the die cut for because of the hat. Then I've got a pile of these guys, a pile of those guys, and then this one that I'm going to use on both of those. Snowmen that I can use the die for, ones that I can't use the die for, and then all of my trees. And I've got 2 different dies that I can use on these trees. And I'm going to go through and cut all these out using my die cut machine. And I'll have tons of pieces that you will soon see in some upcoming cards.